Every chocolate journey begins far from factories, deep within the cocoa farms. Every chocolate journey begins far from factories, deep within the cocoa farms.
Each pod carries the potential for thousands of future chocolate bars.
Each basket carries hours of hand-picked effort. Teams move row by row, clearing only the ripest fruit. Inside lies the raw treasure, cocoa beans coated in natural pulp. Fermentation begins the transformation of flavor. Every turn deepens aroma, color, and character. Once fermented, the beans must dry under steady, open air.
Uniform drying ensures flawless future roasting.
Packed carefully, each sack represents weeks of patient labor. Precision matters. Every kilogram affects processing ahead. From the fields, the journey to the factory begins. The aroma of fresh cocoa travels with every mile. From here, bulk movement takes over. And the beans begin their journey toward industrial transformation. With every load secured, the journey becomes safer and more controlled. From remote farms, cocoa makes its way toward modern industry. The roads may be rough, but the purpose remains smooth. From humble origins, the beans move toward industrial precision.
Modern transport accelerates the pace of production.
Ahead lies the heart of the chocolate journey. This zone houses the machines that sculpt flavor. Every load must be verified before entering. With clearance granted, the beans move one step closer. Within these walls, every movement is coordinated. Precision handling starts right at the unloading bay.
Each sack is released with methodical care.
Pallets prepare the cargo for indoor movement. pallets prepare the cargo for indoor movement.
The load is elevated for its final route indoors.
Now the real transformation begins within the factory walls. Inside these walls, precision becomes the standard. Inside these walls, precision becomes the standard.
Okay, bring that one over here. Copy that, setting it down now.
Here, every load is guided with purpose. Here, every load is guided with purpose. Communication ensures safe movement of every pallet. The beans arrive at their operational starting line. Stability is key before the first inspection begins. Every sack is opened with precise care. Sampling ensures the incoming harvest meets factory standards.
The first check reveals moisture, color, and natural variance.
Moisture defines both flavor and processing behavior.
With approval granted, the beans enter the factory stream.
Movement begins from manual handling to mechanical flow.
Gravity assists the next transition inside the plant.
Every bean is guided with controlled flow. From here, the factorial's true work begins. Within these holes, machines refine every detail. A controlled ecosystem where beans find their path. The first step, separating impurities from the harvest. Powerful air jets clear away what doesn't belong. A vacuum chamber captures particles before they spread. Magnets ensure no metallic piece enters further processing. Weight separation removes what nature left behind. Optical precision ensures only uniform beans continue. Now cleaned, the beans move toward deeper refinement. A gentle rinse prepares the beans for roasting. Every rotation lifts away the last traces of the field. Washed and ready, moisture must now be reduced. Warm air removes moisture while protecting delicate flavors.
Technology verifies that moisture is within factory standards.
Human eyes catch what machines may overlook. Only the finest beans survive the selection chain. The beans reach their cleanest state so far.
Gravity carries the beans into the first core stage.
Mechanical augers guide the beans deeper into the process. Now the beans enter the heat that unlocks their true aroma.
The viscosity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. But keep an eye on the thermal readings for conduit gamma.
The alignment looks stable at 200 degrees.
Yes, the timing data confirms the synchronization is holding steady.
the alignment on this batch looks good.
Yes, the adjustments we made yesterday are holding steady according to the schematic.
Every piece now aligns with engineered precision. Laser systems verify size and symmetry. Only flawless surfaces move ahead. Multiple streams merge into a single unified line. A controlled tunnel locks in structural integrity.
Temperature stabilization defines final texture. Each piece emerges with a perfect finish. Automated scales confirm exact mass.
Precision portioning ensures consistency. Premium foil prepares for final contact.
Each piece receives a protective metallic shell.
Sealing locks freshness inside.
Markings authenticate each batch.
Spacing prepares them for packaging.
Each box forms with exact geometry.
Precision filling defines the final layout. A final visual check prepares each box for closure. A dedicated line diverts samples for precision testing.
Gloss, texture, and finish are examined first. Microscopic texture reveals structural integrity.
Thermal stability determines storage resistance.
Exact moisture levels ensure long-term freshness.
Bloom detection protects visual quality.
Flow behavior defines how chocolate coats and cools.
Spectral scanning confirms purity in every batch.
Measured sweetness guarantees signature flavor.
Aroma profiles are benchmarked with precision.
Human senses validate what machines measure. Structural strength defines durability during transport. Packaging resilience is scientifically proven.
Seal checks guarantee freshness retention.
Every unit is digitally authenticated. Approval clears the batch for distribution. With quality verified, the journey nears completion.
Secure seals prepare each box for long-distance travel.
Outer cartons form with reinforced precision.
Exact weight ensures integrity and compliance. Final seals lock the shipment for distribution. Stretch wrapping protects the shipment from dust and moisture. Each pallet is tagged for tracking across the supply chain. Rows of finished pallets wait for global delivery. Approved pallets roll toward outbound logistics.
Careful loading ensures safe arrival.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.